Right, so I moved the box to my home office and let's open it. I only cut it so you could see it with me. Let's see what is inside. Oh, okay. Nice packing. Oh, look at that. These are Robert Oster envelopes, so I can ship the ink and the letters with it. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. These are signed letters by Robert Oster and more envelopes and more envelopes and more envelopes. Oh, look at that. What is this? More envelopes. Yeah, of course. More envelopes. More envelopes and da 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 da. Robert Oster inks. Da 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 da. Ugh. Nice. And more envelopes. Yeah, of course. Yep. Okay, this will be stored this way. This is gonna be like this at home. Right. Okay. This is excellent. Ooh, I'm so happy. You guys happy? I'm happy. Yes. So, let me get my blade here. And da 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 da. Hope this is enough. Okay. Here. Of course. Don't matter. Yay. Okay. Ta-da! And open it. Oh yes. Oh yes. So here are a ton of bottles of Robert Oster citrus, which it says here, first release on 12 Days of Fountain Pens by Fountain Pens UK. Yay, it's us. And of course a swatch card. Woo. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. And that's it. Let me see if I can get a letter so you guys can see. Put it in here. Okay. Envelopes. There we go with the letters. There you go. Signed letters. 1 to 60 plus spares number 000. Yeah, baby. Mr. Oster, thank you very much for what you've done for us. And okay, my son just came here. His anchor is okay. Cover sheet, and there you go. Letter. 12 Days of Fountain Pens. See, Robert Oster, Fountain Pens. First release ink, citrus. Thank you for participating of the 12 days this year. It's been a pleasure to work with me, Bernardo Gomez. Thank you. It's been amazing to work with you. It's been can't even describe this. And to bring you this new fountain pen in color, we hope you enjoy as we celebrate together. Wish you yours with every best wish. Robert Oster, Australia, 000 of 60, Swatch Play, and all these addresses. Ba-ba-da-da. And his trademark, a drink for your pen, which is truly a drink for your pen. It's an amazing ink and an amazing lad. He's amazing. See, another one. And I have a bunch of them. Right, guys. Robert Oster Citrus. Robert, thank you very, very much for doing this. I'm speechless. I don't have any words to express how thankful I am. You are amazing. Right, thanks everyone. And I will upload this to YouTube now. Okay? Bye bye.